No way! No way! I'm so glad I said something. Wait, what? I was right. Let's go. Hey guys, it's Michaela, and welcome back to another Ace Attorney video. Y'all, today's the day, okay? We are finishing Turnabout Serenade, and we are finally going to prove who the heck did this murder. And hopefully, finally, get Mr. Romein LeTouse the justice he deserves. And if you guys missed the last video, you're definitely gonna wanna go and watch it because it was a beautiful lead up to what I hope will be a beautiful conclusion. For the first time in Ace Attorney history, we started the trial late at 10:30 a.m. instead of 10 a.m. And the reason for that is because the judge was once again visiting the Chief Justice's son in the hospital. Because the Chief Justice's son has come down with a terrible case of incuritis, and it's only getting worse. Incuritis being the disease that has no known cure. Emphasis on known. Daryan Crescend is still the lead suspect, and Clavier was actually defending him most of last video due to Daryan's impeccable alibi during the third set. Except we found out that the murder actually took place during the second set, rendering Daryan's alibi moot. We called Machi to testify, our formerly blind pianist, who is now also formerly Borginian. Okay, the kid is still Borginian, but he can understand English. And he can see. Machi did confirm he was at the scene of the crime, but only after LeTouse's dead body was there as well. And to take it further, he heard the gunshots. That again happened after LeTouse's dead body was on the ground. Machi also confirmed that the Borginian cocoon contains a silk with a potent cure. A cure for incuritis, perhaps? Finally, we confirmed that the window Lamiroir heard Daryan's voice through was actually the air vent she was passing over during her disappearing act. Oh, and also for a portion of the concert, Volant was cosplaying as Lamiroir on stage, which I guess we're all just accepting he has the ability to do. The candle of the day is Marshmallow Fireside by White Barn, and if you guys saw the title and the thumbnail, you will know that there is going to be a very exciting giveaway, so stay tuned. At the end of this video, all of the rules, all of the tea will be there waiting for you. And I really just wanted to do something to give back. Like, anytime I can genuinely afford to do something like this, I try to do it because y'all have gone ham for me this year. Your support has been out of this world, and I just want to do anything I can to just say a thank you. So stay tuned for the end. Until then, I am sipping on some water. I hope you guys are sipping on something just as great. And without further ado, let's wrap this case up with a pretty little bow. Cheers! 2025 was genuinely probably the worst year of my life personally, but one great thing that came out of it was this freaking game room, and I'm just so grateful for that. I'm in my grateful era, okay? We're getting toward the end of the year. Y'all know I start thinking of what little end of the year videos and little recaps I can do. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But I'm just feeling so grateful for this game room. Truly, I love it. It really is the little things, you guys. It really is the little things. Episode 3, Turnabout Serenade, Trial Day 2. The trial resumes. Oh my god. Okay. I mean, I feel I don't know, I'm not expecting a massive, game-changing twist, because I feel like we already know kind of what happened. It's more so the how. So with that being said, it is July 10th. It is 1:40 p.m. I think we had a 15-minute recess, if I remember correctly. District Court, Defendant Lobby number 2. Hi, Trucy. You're coming in hot, but I'm coming hotter with this recap. We have our attorney's badge, our lyric sheet, the investigation request, the postcard, the revolver, the brooch, the mixing board, the keyring, LeTouse's autopsy report, which I will hopefully for the final time be able to say time elapsed between shooting and death currently under review. Okay? Okay. Crime photo. Oh. Diagram. Videotape of the performance, the headset we found, the igniter we found, the remote trigger we found, the forum diagram, the Borginian newspaper, the replica of the Borginian cocoon, Prosecutor Gavin's guitar, and the newspaper article. Okay. We got Phoenix, we got Trucy, we got Clavier. We got Mr. LeTouse, R.I.P. We have Lamiroir, we have Machi, we have Emma, we have Daryan, and we have a lot. Okay, hey Truce, what's going on, girl? Yeah, crazy, right? Yeah, well, yes, the shooting did, not the murder. Still don't know where the murder happened, when the murder happened, any of that, to be honest. See? You know what? I'm not even stressed about these question marks because the music is still very upbeat. But I don't think it's gonna be a big dramatic person. Because I was thinking, my brain always went to Franziska, but I'm like, if it was gonna be Franziska, the music would have 100% stopped. Hi, Phoenix. Hi. Daddy, Daddy needs to be in quotation marks, Trucy. Hi, Daddy. Papa. Okay. What can I do for you, Mr. Wright? What do we owe this pleasure? Oh. Okay. You know, it's been so long without Phoenix that it feels crazy that we spent years with him, to be honest. And I will say, I haven't fully connected with Apollo like I've connected with Phoenix and Edgeworth. I'm being honest. I'm keeping it real with you guys. I'm always gonna keep it 100. I like Apollo, but I haven't felt like that. Like, if for whatever reason, for example, Apollo was not the star of the next game, it would be weird, but I wouldn't be like heartbroken like I have been with Phoenix and Edgeworth, you know? I'm hoping that in the future, we'll get more into maybe Apollo's backstory. I'm sure we will. And then I will connect with him more. And you know what? What better time than now to remind you guys not to answer that. Don't tell me if that's gonna happen. Also, don't tell me if it's not gonna happen. Let me find out for myself. Thank you guys for continuing to keep my comments spoiler free, and please continue to do so, or I will pull a gavel. And I thank you. Yeah, where have you been? Trucy's about to fire your behind. You're about to be placed on probation. A secret mission. Apollo. You know, I feel like despite logic, he will survive. Logic aside, he will survive. Okay, nice seeing you. Thanks for stopping by. What? Oh, thanks. I'd say so. I mean, I've pretty much gotten us this far, so I think I can finish this out. Thanks. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're after that detective, all right. Yet somehow we'll find a way. What the heck is that supposed to mean? Especially not under the current court system? As opposed to... Sorry, court system was just a really weird descriptor for what I think he's getting at, which is not the court system as a whole. I'm like, are we about to change how trials work? Okay, Phoenix, whose side are you on? Okay. Are you suggesting she's lying? Is that what you're telling me? Because you could just say that if you know something, you know? Don't like that. What am I supposed to do then? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Oh God, because your presents have always been so welcomed. Okay. What? Oh. I mean, I would have taken the snack goose too. Oh. Okay. What are they there yet? Nope. A firecracker? Okay, really stupid question. Is there gunpowder in firecrackers? I've never shot a firecracker. Because to me, gunpowder is with guns, but gunpowder could just be with boom, you know? Any boom. I actually genuinely don't know the answer to that. Feel free to let me know that in the comments. I mean, you can comment that if you want. If there's any firecracker firework experts in the chat, educate all of us, please. Interesting. All right. Burnt fragments found at the crime scene bearing gunpowder residue. Possibly a firecracker? Nice. Thank you, Mr. Wright. Appreciate you. Honestly, love that. Catch me in China on New Year's. Thank you so much, Trucy. That was really relevant information. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I don't know to what degree the crime scene was staged, but maybe the gunshots we all heard were not gunshots at all. It's very possible that LeTouse was killed at some point in the past, and those gunshot markings, the gunshot markings on the wall perhaps happened at a different time as well. And what we actually heard during the second set was these firecrackers, or the firecracker. But it was 2 gunshots, so 2 firecrackers. But it's like, how would you... Okay, hold on. Let me take a look at the autopsy again. No, okay, well, LeTouse was killed with that .45 caliber, so it was shot at some point. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Poet. At least he walked. Right. Girl, you should know better than me. That's your daddy. All right, there's our 15 minutes. Hi, Judge. Hi. Okay, perfect. Okay. Yes, Clavier. Oh my god, but he was my mentor and I met his family and we've gone on vacation together. Like, it's played out, dude. Terrible people live normal lives all the time. Okay. Criminals also have talent, some of them. Correct. Correct. Okay. The final witness, that's what he said, right? Yup. All right, let's get it, people. Also known as Shark Boy. Also known as Skunk Boy. Oh, did he? We'll be running that one up the flagpole too. Oh. More like new enemies, am I right? But I need like one of those soundboards so when I make my corny jokes, I can just do it in person and I don't have to remember to edit something like that because I'm not going to do that. Okay. I'm sure you do. You know what? That's not wrong. They be lying their butts. Okay, like, come on. Come on. Oh. I'm from probably the same place you're from, Daryan, so I don't really know what you want me to do with that. Still don't know what that means, but I guess we're gonna find out. Daryan's rebuttal. It's less about the simple act of forgetting the words and more so she heard gunshots, was startled, and was caught off guard a little bit, took a second to collect herself, and then as a performer and as a professional does, she pushed through. Bro, I can't. And I'm not reproving this. I've already gone through this. Oh. I don't think that's the case at all. Agreed. And who is that? You? Oh, Emma. That was about to say, wait, we are talking about the detective Emma, right? Because you're also a detective. Okay, I'm just making sure. Just making sure. Thank you, Your Honor. Okay. Unconventional methods. Ooh, guys. Oh, wait. Oh, no. The bracelet's not. Like, we have it, but she's not active. So I think this is a regular presentation situation. Cool. At this point, I'm ready for it. Like, me and the bracelet, we are good friends now. Our bond is growing. Yes. Yes. No, that's what we're saying, Apollo. That's what we're saying. Thank you, Trucy. God. Well, I don't think that was the statement. She never heard your voice. Two things. One, I'm gonna believe them because that's what they're telling me. However, there is a 0% chance that the first time you meet someone you're going to be performing with is when they are on stage performing. You're at least gonna say, oh, hey, Lamiroir, right? Yeah, I'm Daryan. Like, yeah, cool, let's go do this. You're gonna meet at some point. Two, yes, you can. People have different abilities. That's hers. Takes one to know one. How do you prove that? I mean, we can do like a voice lineup right now and get some people she's never heard before, but I don't think that's where we're going with that. Okay. Oh, and you'd know something about that, wouldn't you? That he's not the wrongest about, I will say. Like, unfortunately, he is making some semblance of sense. In quotations. Okay. Last but not least. The Daryan and forehead show is crazy. Except only one of us has the burden of proof, and it's not the defense! Oh my god! I'm sorry. I don't let a lot of things in this game and inaccuracies anger me these days anymore, because I'm just here for the vibes. I'm here for the story. But I don't have to prove anything, Clavier! I don't have to prove anything! And sorry, but Detective Sky's testimony alone? Not enough! It's not enough! Okay. Well, we have the burnt fragments, which is the obvious choice in terms of what to present next. just because they're the newest. It's really where should we try them on? It could be this one. But I feel like the focus right now we're trying to make it is proving that the murder did not happen during the third set a different way. So it's like, what do we have to do that with? And the answer, I think, is nothing. So let's focus on the fragments. Is this the statement we just went into the whole, it might be gunshots, it might be something else? Let me make sure. Oh no, I think it was the next one. Yeah. Okay. All right, we can try this. I know that the press statements don't really matter in terms of presentation, but that's what we're gonna start with. We will go from there, baby. Yay. Yay. So satisfying when I'm like truly not confident in something, but it turns out to be right. It makes me really happy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Your decision? Oh. Okay, period. We love the preparation. Thinking ahead. We're not actually gunshots. Mm-hmm. Oh, true. Oh, this is crazy, you guys. Yeah. So LeTouse was murdered at some point before. His body was placed there. Or he was murdered. He was probably murdered in that room. He was probably murdered in that room. Because he's the one that was bleeding and he rode in the blood and all. Yeah. So at some point before, LeTouse was murdered in that room. But how and when? Because nobody heard gunshots any other time. See, that's the disconnect. No, I'm not saying that. Nobody said that. What I'm saying is they were rigged to go off at a specific time. Either there was some sort of timer set, or more realistically, they were connected to a trigger of sorts to where somebody could remotely activate them. They did not just happen to go off, Daryan. Okay. Did you have an accomplice? Is that what we're getting at? Were you working with the second culprit? That's, you know what? I wasn't going to acknowledge that, but yeah, that one's rough. A little rough there. Okay. Anything stand out to you? Did you? And what might that have been? Oh, are we talking about the headpiece again? That headset? That headset picked up on the sound of people walking by. That headset picked up the sound of people walking by, and that is how Daryan, whoever, knew to trigger the firecrackers. 100%. 100%. The side of truth and the side of justice. Okay. Love that. Actually, yeah. Kind of. Oh. Moi. I'm listening. Yes. Absolutely. Yeah, I agree with you there, Clavier. You want me to prove it right now? With what I have now? Yeah. Oh, good. Okay, thank God. Yeah. Shoot, if all I had to say was it can be proven, I would have done that 10 minutes ago. We'll find it. You know what? This would be a great time for Gumshoe to burst in. Haven't seen him in a while. Hope he's doing well. Am I right? Am I right? Oh. Just kidding. It's just one new statement. Yikes. Okay. Well. Ooh. Right. Right. Idea. Okay. I know what to do. 100%. Wait. Yes, there is. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. Let me out of the dialogue, please. Wait, I'm so excited. No, I am going to confer with my co-counsel. Judge, please. Ugh, Jesus Christ. Okay, anyways, if y'all don't let me into this mixer, hello, I'm trying to tell you. Okay. Wow. All right, let's freaking get it, you guys. You know how we're gonna freaking prove this? With this dang mixing board. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Hopefully this is the right one. Yes, okay. Gotta remember how to do this now. There's gonna be a gunshot. Wait, hold on. I need to know which one to do this during. Okay. Yeah. It's this one, right? Oh, yeah. Wait. Yeah, no. Okay. Okay, it was during the pleasure though. I remember that. She's singing right now underneath the stage, and this is Volant. Oh wait, no, sorry. Right. Okay, right, this is Volant. That's when it just happened right there. Now. Okay, and that's Volant. Okay. All right. There. Okay. 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 I hope I'm not wrong. Let's forking go. Let's forking go! Okay. Here is my proof. Ah! Too excited! Ah! You know what? Okay, we'll go the long way. Here! Objection! Yup. Sure do. Sure do. Sure is. Sure are. Because they're gunshots. And also, maybe because of the headset? Yes, exactly. That's beautiful. I love that. I love this explanation. Okay. I mean, I know it's here. How do I, present? Oh shoot, but I need to switch it to the next section. Nope. Yikes. Okay. I will be patient. Oh my god, okay, fine. Unless. Oh, let's go. Oh, yay. Okay, I wasn't sure if that would work. I was like, oh, do I need to move it to the second part, you know? Yay! Yay! What is happening? Okay. I don't know what happened there with your hair. were you, Detective Crescend? Couldn't you have? I don't have a good answer to that. Okay. Sure. Sounds good. Okay. Bad day for all of us. When Daryan missed his cue. Is his shoulder dislocated right now? He's moving around a lot for that to be the case. I'm sorry, are you trying to prove us wrong? Because you're not doing a very good job at it. You're a trained gunman in a case where the murderer had to have been a trained gunman? I mean, how much of a difference can 7 calibers be? Oh my god. Really? That's what you're going with? Listen, I have been giving you credit this entire testimony where credit has been due. There is not a single lick of credit due on that. That's what your story is. That very clear gunshot was a little noise that could have been anything. First of all, the guitar cue miss is not alleged. It was recorded. So okay, can't wait. Proof of innocence. So we need to prove you knew each other. Yeah, that's pretty important when trying to prove guilt. Still no bracelet. No. Yeah. Okay. Exactly. Okay, scratching that route. We have to prove this somehow. Okay, well apparently you don't talk to anyone then. Like, I don't even know what to say. I feel like this is going to be our statement, even though I don't know why yet. Okay. Oh, wow. Hey, did everybody hear that? Everybody heard that threat? Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. If I didn't know him, why would I want to kill him? Okay, so here's... We know that this was probably all over the Borginian cocoon, okay? Because of its cure. A cure for incuritis. The Chief Justice's son is the one that has incuritis. I still am obviously not knowing the connection between that and this, because how would they have known about that to want to smuggle this cocoon over? But that is what I believe LeTouse was investigating. Oh, there's like a missing piece that's like preventing this from coming together in my brain. And it's like, whoever wanted to kill him was potentially somebody who is connected to the Chief Justice's son or is connected to incuritis in some way. Because that cocoon being here gives people with that disease an opportunity to live. And Agent LeTouse was trying to put a stop to that. So they put a stop to him. You see what I'm saying? And Daryan and Machi obviously have some weird thing going on because he showed up to the detention center and stopped Machi from speaking. So the missing link is them and that, those people I just named in the cocoon, and the Chief Justice's son and his incuritis. But I feel like it's this statement, and I feel like it's gonna be either the cocoon or this. All right, let's try the cocoon first. Let's fucking go. Please don't eat it. Please. They're making me want some candy. I think it has everything to do with the motive for killing Mr. LeTouse. Yep. And also, why? If it can cure people, why? Thank you. Capitalism, perhaps? That's usually the answer to questions like that. I'm listening. Okay. Deadly? Something else being what? Ah. Okay. But why are people in Borginia more qualified to manufacture the remedy than people elsewhere? Can they not be trained? Like, why are we, what, you know? Okay, well that's insane. That's insane. Yeah, well the black market tends to do that. Like, there just has to be a way to export it, but prevent it from getting into hands of like civilians. And then again, people who are medical professionals could also be involved in the black market. I don't know what the solution is, but you know what the solution is? Manufacture the thing, create the cure, and then just sell the cure so you don't have to sell the cocoons. Wait, come on guys, somebody has to have thought of this before me. So Machi wasn't the one who smuggled it after all, or were you guys in cahoots? I'm sorry, do you disagree with them? I'm sensing some animosity here. I mean, I think it's the only motive we need, to be fair. Like, you'll get caught? Mm-hmm. You're done. Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's actually insane. But if you've seen any TV shows like that, Breaking Bad comes to mind. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. Too risky. Don't let Walkie hear this. I'm sorry, is that supposed to be an insult? Why would I? Why would I know anything about the black market? I think he knows a little too much. Oh! Okay. I am 99% sure I've already looked at this in depth, but let me just triple check. Yeah. There's nothing else. No secret opening. Yeah, I mean, it's a sample of the cocoon. Okay. Can't sell him, too dangerous, not lucrative. I'm in international affairs. I know the deal. Is this when we're going to get into this? Again, I just don't know who knows the Chief Justice's son. What is the connection? But I think it is going to be that, right? District Police Chief. feel like it's gonna be this. It could be the cocoon too. Let me go through one more time. Replica has to be the key to his motive. There's gotta be a way to find out what he was up to. The replica has to be the key to his motive. The replica has to be the key to his motive. Because if maybe his goal was to murder LeTouse to obtain the replica. And why would he want the replica? Probably to sell them. But then he says it's too dangerous and cocoon smuggling isn't lucrative. I think we do need to focus on the replica and not get into the Chief Justice connection yet. So I feel like I don't really know why I would be presenting it on any of these, to be honest. I don't know, but I feel like I should just present it on one of these two. Can't sell them on the black market, too dangerous. Let's try it on this one first. I don't know. Okay. Let's try the next one. Okay. I mean, I said before, I feel like this is the statement. Maybe we can try it on, just really full send it, you know? Oh, dang. I thought the music stopped for a second. Okay. I'm trying to remember. If in the very beginning Daryan was considered part of the investigation. Because then it could be like, okay, well, if he wasn't, then how would he know certain things? That's not what we're really talking about, but I don't know what else to do. I'm like, like, should we just present the cocoon on the first two just to like really fully round it out and make sure? Because it's Apollo's statements, the cocoon is the key, is what's running through my head. I mean, I guess we can just to make sure. You know? Because I would hate for that to be the answer and I just skipped it. You know? Just to really make sure. Okay. So the cocoon is not going to be it. Sorry, Mach. Sorry, King. Let's run it back. Okay. I don't know, you guys. I feel like I want to try this now, but... I don't know. I'm okay. I'm gonna present this because maybe it is time to make that connection. Because I mean, it's not, the answer is not the cocoon, and this is like the next thing that I was really thinking about. I guess we can start at the very end. I just don't know how this would connect right now, but I don't really know what else to do. Objection! And I'm like, do we... okay, hold on. I just gotta get this out. Okay. I had to get that out. I don't know, you guys. You know what? Let me take my own advice from long ago and make sure I press through a second time, because we've been there and we've done that. So let me just make sure. Yeah, guys. Oh, man. We were on such a roll, too. Okay. We've tried this everywhere. The only 3 pieces of evidence I'm like getting a vibe about whatsoever is this newspaper article, this Borginian newspaper, the investigation requested, I say 3, and the crime photo, 4. But like, I don't know. So I guess I could, I mean, I could sit here and be confused, or I could just start trying stuff. So we tried these both on the last statement, so we can work these down. But I was not expecting that, but I will freaking take it. Let's freaking go. Wait. Hold on. And I presented it on, it's not lucrative anymore. Ooh, I understand. I understand it now. Oh, okay. See, the first thought I had was kind of on the right track. I didn't fully get there though, but y'all know what time it was, okay? We made it. We freaking made it. Thank God. Not your keister. Yeah, Judge, we're about to get into it. Judge, come back to us, Judge. Are you here? Welcome back! Correct! Yes, that's I'm so glad we're all here together. Oh my gosh. Shoot, I would deal in contraband to save my son, and I don't even have a son. Unless you're counting my 2 furry sons. But I would also potentially deal in contraband. You know what? I'm not gonna vocalize that. I would do a lot to save the lives of those I care about. So why are we putting it past the Chief Justice? But he'd also have his son. You know? Yes. As many as I can. That I don't have proof of. Like, no, I have actually zero proof of that, and do not ask me to pull some out of my butt because I don't have any proof and I don't have a butt. At this point, there's nothing. I have nothing further for you. Bring the Chief Justice in here. What? Virginia? Okay. Yikes. Sounds like a fun job. Okay, new statement just dropped. Oh, new statements just dropped. Okay, we got 3 new ones, baby. Let's get it. Now I want gumdrops, which when I think of a gumdrop, I think of Dots, the candy, which I really only have once a year, and it's at Christmas. I can't wait. Anyways, not helpful, because now that's what I'm craving. Yeah. He's not going to listen to that. Okay, so I don't think that was our statement. Yeah. I don't think that's it either. But I don't know what this would be either. Okay. Honestly, that sounds really interesting. I would love to hear it. Right. Oh, here we go with this again. Okay, well that wasn't helpful the first time. Maybe it'll be helpful the second time. What can we put this dang replica on? Okay, well these aren't new. Borginian Customs is very thorough. Everything and everyone gets checked. Cocoon possession? Oh, hi, Wicked. Cocoon. Hello? Are you drunk? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I didn't realize you had dappled. I'm sorry. It's that kind of night. Cocoon possession will get you arrested on the spot and then sentenced to death. Hey man, if there's a way to get cocoons out of there, I'd sure like to know. You know, you're not giving me a lot to work with here, Daryan. But like, this has to be the answer this time, right? Like, we don't have anything left, guys. We don't have anything left, I fear. Okay. Is there any reason why we could maybe use something to disprove that customs doesn't get checked as close as we think? Do we have anything from Borginian we shouldn't have? Guys, it has to be the replica this time. I do want to just note for the record that this came from Borginian. And I don't think that means anything, but maybe a guitar could be a good way to smuggle things in. I do want to just say that in case that ends up mattering. So I don't later say, oh, I thought that, but didn't say it. Okay, but it's... Because there's no residue or remnants or any proof that anything illegal or illicit was in here. Guys, we're going to go with the replica. Now, what do we start on? You know what? We got 3 statements and 3 pieces of life, baby. Let's full send. Let's full send. All right. Okay. Dang it. Okay. Bro, this freaking replica is gonna haunt me. Like, actually. What do you mean? What do you want? It's not gonna be the guitar. Maybe it is the guitar. But why would that matter? What's the problem with bringing the guitar over? I don't know, but that's the only place my brain went. All right. Declare him guilty. Let me get back into it. Come on now. R.I.P. And we're back. Okay. I have a Borginian guitar. Right? I mean, that's it. I think, like, we have postcards. I don't think that's a problem. Like, I don't know what else to do, you guys, if it's not... Okay, Borginian Customs is thorough. Oh yeah? Then how did Lamiroir get her guitar over here? No way! No way! I'm so glad I said something. What? I was right. Let's go. Clavier. Clavier, no. Oh no, I did not know that's where we were going. No way. No way. Oh my. Guys. Guys. Clavier. 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 Oh, no. I was just really starting to like him. No. Are you freaking kidding me? I can't believe. I'm so glad I picked up on that because I would have been so lost for so long. Oh my freaking goodness. Wow. He did say that. Oh my gosh. And he took the Borginian cocoons right out. Wow. And that's why I said earlier, bro, the real criminals, they have jobs, they have families, they have talents, they're normal people. They just have a really dark side hustle. It really be the ones you least expect. Oh no, but being a culprit runs in the family. Ah. Wait, so he didn't know about it. So Clavier didn't know about it? So wait, Clavier, are you innocent? But Clavier didn't know. So Clavier didn't know. Thank God. I was actually going to be so sad that he was a bad person. He's not. He's an innocent bystander. And we're back to Daryan. Yeah. York indeed. Ugh. If I was Clavier, I would be beyond pissed right now. Like, oh my goodness. Hide the evidence, or burn the evidence, rather. I'm actually dead. That's crazy. Why are we calling Mr. LeTouse very large again? The man is DEA dead. Can we please leave him? Leave him be. Leave him be. That's crazy. Well, fellas, how did I do? Daryan, that's not sounding like we're on our way to a breakdown. I want that entire head of hair of yours to fly off like your Winston Payne. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Okay, so he did have an accomplice. Machi? Oh. I mean, to be fair, because my life is full, I'll be fine. There's only so many Borginian people we can choose from. I don't want to choose Machi. But he had a Borginian accomplice. And the only Borginians we know are Lamiroir and Machi. Turns out that he isn't blind and can understand English. It's just insane. Machi, no! Machi, no! No! I didn't want the music to stop! No! 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 I know! You know, I've come to expect the unexpected in this game. Actually, yeah! Yeah! He's still innocent for what I'm here to do. The smuggling charge is a separate trial. Has nothing to do with me. Actually, I'm back on board. I love this. I love this. Yes. Absolutely. Mm-hmm. Lamiroir stand-in, also known as Valant. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Thank you, Trucy. Thank you for keeping track. Thank you, Trucy. Are you going to say because there was not a missed cue in the piano, he could not have set the switch off? Because I think that's a piss poor argument. Sorry. With his foot? With his pinky? I mean, there's a lot of options here. Come on, guys. Like, come on. Like, he couldn't have hit it in the middle of two notes? Come on. Hi, Frankie. Got 2 cats today. Welcome. Frankie boy. Bring that mixer back out, baby. Thank you. I still think yes. So I'm the wrong person to ask. Then the answer is yes. Bring it back out. I can prove it. Wait, I just want to press this for the plot. I never press things for the plot. And I found that most of the time it leads to the same place. I think I can prove it, but I just want to see what the dialogue says. Watch it like insta-kills me. Wait, what? Okay, sure. Okay, I mean, it's obviously gonna be the mixing board, right? Is there anything weird about the piano otherwise? There's something odd about the performance. Has to be the mixing board. What else would it be? Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is cool. Okay. Was the tone like a little off? Hold on, I want to hear that again. Yeah, like the keys being pressed harder or something. Why is this a crazy revelation? Yes! The man could have pressed the switch. Absolutely. Oh my god, bro. This is not that complicated of an explanation. It's just not. Really? Are you sure? Because you're also not a piano savant. Oh god. Oh god. All right, let's get it. I think it was 4 that they played, right? Wait, okay, now I don't remember which. It was the second one, right? Okay, no, it's the third one. I thought it was the second, regardless. Okie doke. Okay, I'm not hearing anything. We know it's not this one. Did they not just show 4? Is it because the rest have like a doo-doo-doo in the background? Like, nothing in the background. Background, you know what I'm saying? That's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I got. Oh, God. Okay. Reason number 1 I'm confused is because I remember the second one being the time, but it clearly isn't. It's clearly the third. I thought it was the second. That's weird to me. But maybe, okay, wait. But the, okay, so sorry. I'm like, this is, oh, I can't even go in the history here. Okay, he said second part. So let me focus on the second part then. I think this is the answer, is to present 4 on the 4th section, but I didn't know, fam. I didn't understand. Am I supposed to present this? Nope. Awesome. Okay. first half of the second verse. I just need to find a place to compare to that. Yeah, I don't know. Not computing, but let's try the the second verse. Haven't presented that yet. Oh my god. And again, I have the right thing isolated, right? Sorry, I'm trying to turn the metronome off. But I don't know what... Okay, jeez. All right. So nothing from 2 there at all. I don't think that's the piano. Pretty sure this is the piano. Let me just triple check. That's not a piano. Okay, so it isn't before. I don't know what they want me to compare it to. I don't know. It all sounds great to me, to be honest. Like, I don't know what you want from me. I really don't. Oh my god, thank you. Ugh. None of it sounds odd to me. I'm gonna be so honest. I'm gonna be so for real. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's go. Daryan, just give it up, babe. Just give it up. Honestly. Except they don't, do they? They're not supposed to have different arrangements, are there? Are they? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, come on. Mm-hmm. Understandably so. Oh, is this his breakdown? Please, God. No. What more could you possibly want from me? Great. That's all I needed to hear. Oh my freaking God. If all of the facts check out, what are you looking for? Whoever made these laws, scrap them. Scrap them. Gumshoe? That's so stupid. That is a terrible law. If we elicit testimony and facts, fact after fact after fact that supports the theory, but I don't have a physical, tangible piece of decisive evidence, we're throwing all of the facts out of the window? Okay. Correct. Unconventional. I thought so. Okay, are we getting into the bracelet? Thank you, Judge. You've made yes, your point has been received. Oh. Oh, God. I mean, I can call Machi, who can confirm he's his accomplice, but I doubt that. However, I fear we're fresh out of evidence, people. Fresh out. Like, fresh out. I don't... Yeah. I mean, it has to be Machi, right? Like, who else would it be? Phoenix. No, I'm kidding. It has to be Machi. Can we call LeTouse? He'll know who killed him. Alright. We're going for it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It appears so. Mm-hmm. Okay, random left turn we've taken here, but hell yeah. I really, really, really wish he would stop laughing. Thanks. Yeah. But, yeah. I see the issue here. Oh, not the jurisdictional loophole? Oh, that's crazy. I fear in real life he would probably be deported and tried in Borginian, but I'm so behind this. I'm very much okay with this version. Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. Hello? Hello? Daryan? Where did you go, babe? looks disheveled. Thank you, Clavier. Yes. Very appropriate time for a solo. Okay, wait. Was he just like retreating mentally to a conversation he had with Machi? Or was he talking to himself there? Don't worry there. I'll get you out of the country. I'll set you up someplace, a hidden mansion real night. Like, who? Like, it's as if he was talking to Machi, but Machi wasn't there. Are you okay? Was he hallucinating? I'm scared. I'm concerned. The laughing sounds a little different now, but in a different way, though. Yeah, exactly. And we didn't even need Machi again. Thank God. Oh. Hi. And this, my friends, is a beautiful example of case law. Case law is a real life type of evidence we use to help form arguments, justify, directions we take cases in, etc. So what happens is a case will come about every now and then where something unique will happen that will change the course of every single case that will come after it, and that is called case law. In the US, it's more so jurisdiction specific. So something that happens in California or New York may not be as persuasive as something that happens in Florida for a Florida lawyer, and that's what I am. So just a little lesson there. I love this. This is literally a real life example of this happening in front of our very eyes. That's freaking awesome. Sorry, that was a... He doesn't look real. I think I liked him better with the glasses. He looks a little creepy with them off. He looks like a porcelain doll, but not in a good way. Yay! We did it. I mean, he's guilty of other things, but not this murder, baby. Yay. Oh my goodness. What a case, baby. What a trek. What a journey. And all before 5 o'clock. All in a day's work, guys. Honestly, anything that happens to him here is better than what would happen to him in his homeland. So we're gonna take the win. Phoenix. Hi, Phoenix. Oh, hi. I mean, people do terrible and crazy things when they're in need of money. That's a tale as old as time. I am sure he will. I don't think you need to worry about that. to give you vision? Oh my God. Okay, would love to get more into that, to be honest. Aww, what the heck? Are you kidding me? I love this! Would love. Would love. Would be honored. Dude, what is your secret? Like, what is your mission? Yes. What is... Are we gonna hurry it along by addressing it in the next case? Because hello? Oh, I'm sure we will. I feel like we will. I don't think this is the last we're seeing of you. Okay, I loved this case. I loved it. What is the next one? Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Turnabout Serenade Florida. Okay, guys, here we go. Episode 4 is going to be Turnabout Succession. Huh. Okay. What a satisfying ending. I am sad that Machi is going to have some sort of punishment because at the end of the day, the guy's 14. He got roped into a freaking whatever the international equivalent of felony would be with a grown arse adult, a detective who definitely took advantage of him. And that is where I will leave it with that. Okay. Fork Daryan. That aside, Lamiroir's growth. We love Clavier's innocence. That was looking a little questionable for a second. We love. I thoroughly enjoyed this case, you guys. The story was just so interesting to me from beginning to end. It was simple, but not too simple, and complex, but not too complex. For the most part, everything made sense. I think the least sensible thing in this entire case was Valant somehow being able to look like Lamiroir. But that aside, I loved it. I cannot wait to get into the next one. Turnabout Succession doesn't really tell me anything. I think Succession is really just something coming after something else. So I don't really know what to take away from that, but I'm excited to find out. I will probably be filming the next video here shortly because I'm gonna want to know. I'm gonna need to know what we're getting into. Hopefully it's Phoenix. God, hopefully it's Phoenix, but either way, I know it will be an amazing time. And I know what we're all here for at this point, the giveaway. I will be giving away 2 $50 Visa gift cards here on my channel, and I will be giving away 2 additional Visa gift cards in my Discord. So that's 4 gift cards total. You guys have 4 chances to win some money for the holiday season, right in time for that, right in time for the new year. Something to spend on yourself, treat yourself, whatever you want to do with it. To enter the giveaway on YouTube, you need to do 3 very simple things. 1, obviously you need to be subscribed. This giveaway is to give back to my subscribers and those who support me. Secondly, give this video a thumbs up, help spread it out even wider. And third, I want you guys to leave a comment telling me what videos you'd like to see from me in 2026. It can be continuing the Ace Attorney videos. It can be a brand new game I've never played. It could be a reaction video. It could be a brand new type of video you've never seen from me that you want to see from me. Let me know in the comments. If you do those 3 things, you will be entered into the giveaway, and I will be choosing the 2 YouTube winners on Christmas Day. The giveaway will close at noon Eastern on Christmas Day, and the winners will be contacted via the directions in the subscription box. And just to make it abundantly clear, this is in no way affiliated with YouTube. This is me giving back from my own money to those who love and support me the most. For the other two $50 gift cards, those are going to be given away on Discord. And in order to enter the Discord giveaway, you need to obviously join the Discord. It is completely free to join. Once you do so, I want you to leave a reaction gift on the specific giveaway rules. And after you do that, I want you to respond to that. Leave me a comment telling me one positive moment or memory from 2025. I thought what better way to end the year than with some positivity and some optimism going into the new year. I know that 2025 was a rough year for a lot of us, and I'm hoping that this makes it a little bit better, but also continuing to build this amazing community I've worked so hard to build can make it even better as well. So be sure to enter the giveaway here on YouTube. Be sure to enter the giveaway on Discord. Winners will be announced on Christmas Day, like I said. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to shop MissBoss.com, and I will see you guys in my next one. Goodbye and go thrive.